Hi there. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to join Microsoft Teams meeting. Let's get started. So once you've logged into your Microsoft Teams account, you're going to go to the left side of the screen and then select activity. Now, if you are in a group, or let's say you're in university, for example, they might send you a couple of links for you to join an event. So here, for example, I have one here for my one module weekly class. So I'm going to click on join event. So now what it's going to do is open up a web page. And now it says this site is trying to open Microsoft Teams, even though it's already open. So now I'm just going to select open. And as you can see here, this module, weekly class 2, study unit 1. Okay, you can either decide to switch on your camera if you want to, but I'm going to leave it off. And then your computer audio is going to allow you to hear people talking in the meeting. And then PC mic and speakers, you can either decide to leave your mic on or switch it off. And then you can choose the volume, phone audio, room audio, don't use audio. And then once it's done, you're just going to select join now. Now, another way of joining a meeting is to go to the left side of the screen and then look for something which says calendar. So as you can see here, I don't have anything planned. So if I go back, I previously had a meeting. So it's going to be listed over here. So I'm going to select this one and then you're going to choose accept. So now if you want to join a meeting through an ID, let's say you're given an ID, you're going to go to the top here and you're going to select join with an ID. So now it says join a meeting with an ID. So you add in the meeting ID, meeting passcode, and then you're going to select join meeting. So now let's say that you want to create a new meeting for yourself. And what you're going to do is you're going to go to the top here and then select this plus icon. So new meeting. So now you're going to add in the title of the meeting and required attendees. So that's optional right there. So then the time, the date, and 30 minutes all day, does not repeat, add channel, and you can add in the location, and then you can add in some specifics over here, such as a description of the meeting, and then you're going to press save. So as I said before, if you are given a meeting ID, all you need to do is just select all of these numbers, and then you just need to right click and then select copy. And as you can see there is the passcode. So you're going to select that as well. And then you're going to right click and then copy as well. So if I go back to Teams, I'm going to select join with an ID, then right click, paste, and then meeting code. We're going to go back and we're going to highlight the code, passcode, copy, and then we go back to Teams and then paste the code there and then join meeting. So here, Microsoft Teams meeting, your camera is turned off. Okay, PC mic, you can decide to leave it on or off. And your volume, you can decide, phone audio, room audio, and whatnot. And there you go. If this video helped you out, then please leave a like and consider subscribing. It's free, and it helps the channel to make more videos like this. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.